welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the different parts of the violin, and I hope that this will be helpful to you as you start to learn how to play the violin. Right, so this is my violin, and this is a full-size violin. To find out more about different sizes for different ages, please try and find my video on the different sizes of the violin. Right, so this is a violin, it's not a viola. The difference between a violin and a viola is that the viola is a little bit bigger than the violin and have different strings. Right, so without much to do, let's talk about this violin. The first part of the violin is a chin rest. Okay, the chin rest is meant for the chin of the violin to help you to hold the violin. Okay, and then you have what they call the tailpiece over here, and the nut. Now the tailpiece is the piece that is going to help you hold the strings in place. One other thing I need to say about the chin rest is over here there are two little holes, and that is where you loosen or tighten the chin rest. So if your chin rest is a little loose, get a pin or something and just tighten them. Right, then you get to what you call your bridge. This wooden thing over here with the patterns, that is your bridge. Okay, it also holds the strings up. It's got to do with the acoustics of the violin. These things are called the F holes. Yes, I know it sounds bad. Those are your F holes. It is not a bad word. It is simply because it's shaped in the form of a cursive F. Now inside the violin, you won't be able to see it, but inside there's a little peg, a round peg, little pipe thingy that goes up, which is called the sound pin. Okay, and the sound pin has got a lot to do with the acoustics of the violin. You will find that as you learn more about the violin, inside the sound pins, the varnish, everything has to do with the sound of the violin. Right, then we get what we call the black thing over here, that's called the fingerboard. Okay, the fingerboard is simply where you put your fingers when you play the violin. Right, and then at the end, of course, is the neck, and then the tuning pegs are over here. Now each tuning peg is connected to a string. All right, then you get the fine tuners, which are things that you put on the end of the tailpiece over there. Those are fine tuners. Okay, they are used after you've tuned up here, just to adjust and make it exactly on pitch. All right, so the different strings of the violin. Now this is, my video is upside down, and it'll be the other way around on your side. This is G on your side. When I show you the violin like this, E is on that side, this side. Okay, so if I turn it around like this and I'll show you. Right, so this one is G, follow it all the way up. Your tuning peg is this one. G is your thickest string and also the deepest. Then you get D, which is the next one, semi-thick, follow it up to its peg. A, and then E. E is your thinnest, and it's also the most likely to snap and also to make a bad sound if you are not playing correctly. So I hope this has been helpful. These are the parts of the violin. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. Please remember to like my video and also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye now.